Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This printer is HP Officejet Pro 9130 series 9135E. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, and scan and fax with this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network with your mobile device and your laptop. Go to the laptop, install HP Smart app on your laptop, or go to your Play Store on your mobile device and install HP Smart app. So now what we want to do is we want to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network with the laptop. Then after that we add our mobile device. This is HP Smart app and it's getting ready. Then go to the side. On the left side you will see a printer image. Add or set up a printer, and it will start to search for available printer. So it found HP Officejet Pro 9135E. Then you select setup. You will see this information, time to connect, set up and manage your printer. Then you select continue. It picked up the network available, access Wi-Fi password. It will show you the Wi-Fi network. I have the information here, so I'm going to put the details, then we'll go from there. Once you've done that, you select continue. So printer is found. Configuring the printer, starting the printer setup. Touch the check mark on the printer display. So you go to the printer LCD screen, an app is attempting to set up printer, then you select allow. In the meantime, you can see the Wi-Fi light is still flashing and the light is now steady. What that means is connected to network, but you need to wait for this to complete on your laptop. Printer connected to network. So if you look on the printer is connected to network. Then the next thing is, if you want to add this to your mobile phone, then you go to your phone settings, go to the Play Store and type HP Smart app. This is HP Smart app. Open it up. Then select plus to add a printer. Choose a printer already on the network and you wait. HP Officejet Pro 9130 series. Select on it. HP Officejet Pro. Select finish setup. Processing. Agree to terms and conditions. Now I will ask you, find your printer pin. Then the next thing to do, you need to open up the printer and look to enter the pin. Once you enter the pin, then you select submit. Show you thanks for waiting. HP Office just finished setup. Select accept. Connecting to HP service. Introducing HP Plus. Activate HP Plus for smart printing capability. Select continue. Welcome to HP account. Did you install the ink and paper? Then you select yes. Yes. Continue setup. Auto fireware update recommended. Select notify me and save. Let's print or skip printing page, printing page. HP Officejet, select print. Thank you for choosing HP. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network with your computer, and it will ask you share the link. Not right now. Setup complete. All done. Then select done. And this is the printer HP Officejet, and also it will show you the ink level. If you want to add it to your laptop, you go back to your laptop settings, select add a printer, select add a printer. Now it's going to search for available printer within the network, and they found the printer HP Officejet Pro 9130 series online. Select on it. Getting print driver information. This might take a few minutes. You can see the printer is ready on the mobile device, but you are waiting for this to be ready on the laptop. Printer driver installed successfully. Select continue. Here we go. This is the printer. Firmware update available. This is the printer HP Officejet Pro 9130 series, and this is the estimated ink level. So from this HP Smart app, you can scan so many things. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network with your mobile device and to the computer. And we printed out a test page. If you want to know if this is also connected to the laptop, you can go to the laptop settings, and it will show you HP Officejet installed in app. And this is the printer showing us idle. Open printer app or print test page. So print test page, and the document is sent to the printer. So select print. There we go. Window printer test page. So this is to show you that we printed from the laptop. This is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network with phone and laptop. Print test page from the mobile device, and also print test page from the laptop. Thank you very much indeed.